1000.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you'd only believe in me. Don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you'd only believe in me. Yeah. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you'd only believe in me. Don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you'd only believe in me. Yeah. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't.
That was definitely the right hole. Holy moly. That was close. Oh, come on. Just give us a straight. What the fuck?
And 50 cents.
Thank you so much.
All right, from one up to you.
Hey, can I give you guys a tip?
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
That's for you. Appreciate it.
So the craziest part is that I was gonna take a full house over that two pair. I was gonna take the two pair over the freaking Asus. What an idiot, right? Check this out. I would have failed so miserably. That's awesome. Let's go.